Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So today I'm sharing three easy salad recipes that you can carry to work for lunch, or you can even have as a side for your dinners. They're so simple, can be made under 5 minutes. The first is the cucumber, onion and tomato salad. So delicious. For the vinaigrette, you can be able to choose and pick whatever you want, but for me the basil and the oregano make everything stand out. For the chili, you can actually opt out. I love spicy salads, so you can opt out for the chili or you can use it. It's so delicious. Now, recipe number three is the best of all these three recipes for me, so make sure you stick in till the end so that you can be able to comment down below which recipe you're trying and which recipe stood out for you. Recipe number two is for all the sweet tooths in the house. This is the most sweetest and healthiest recipe. So you need a pineapple, half a pineapple to be precise, half a cucumber, mint and some grapes. So the grapes add in a bit of sweetness. I also added in a bit of honey at the very end. So this is such a sweet, fresh, delicious, nutrient packed recipe that you can have on those summer days when the days are long and the sun is high and you need something to pick you up. So this is such a beautiful alternative. The fiber in this recipe is unmatched and the pineapples are really good for your digestion. Just something light and nice to pick you up on those days when everything feels heavy and hot. Now to the final salad. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. So this is a glow recipe salad. It has beetroot, it has vitamin C from the pineapple. It's a fresh delicious salad, very balanced, since it also has some ginger, which is also good for digestion. So you just start with half a pineapple and one beet, a few mint leaves. Unfortunately, I have some raspy voice. I have been going through the flu. So a few mint leaves, and then you just combine everything to make the most delicious pineapple beet salad. And this is so refreshing and also so good for your liver, since beet detoxifies the liver. It also helps with people who are struggling with low HB. So this is such an amazing recipe to add to your rotation. Make sure to comment down below which recipe you loved and which recipe you're going to try this week.